Welcome. So here's a first test of some browser-based client technology for RealExtend, but this time with Flash. So this is using an existing open source Flash it's kind of web conference tool, Big Blue Button. We are using that for voice and also for the text chat here. I'm logging in now. So on the left side it has the Big Blue Button stuff loading. So here's the chat and you can do voice. Voice if you click the headphones thing, and but now on the left, sorry, on the right, it now loaded the scene. It's using the Away3D open source Flash 3D rendering engine, which is now using the hardware accelerated 3D support in Flash 11, the Stage 3D API. The Away3D 4 is now using that, and it's now in beta. And there's conveniently in this demo scene some arrow keys bound to this nice polar bear. So we kind of have a Flash gnarly demo going on here. There's 15 of these, so it's a stress test of the rendering actually, but with hardware skinning it runs like steady 60 FPS almost, or well, runs like Away3D normally, and so we also have working networking to a Tundra server, but that's not in this demo here now. We must next set a live server up for that and start testing that and make a new video. So let's see what happens.